Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on qualities of a sales manager. Let's start with the introduction. The role of a sales manager is very critical in an organization. The sales in an organization depend majorly on sales managers. The sales manager is looked upon by top management in matters related to sales. He or she provides operational guidance to lower management. Hence, certain essential characteristics and qualities must be possessed by a sales manager to efficiently play his role. Let's start with the qualities of a sales manager. First, being the physical aspect. Refers to qualities like sound health, patience, alertness, tolerance, etc. Having sound health is critical in any field of management, including sales management. Sound health helps with the strength required to face the stress faced in sales management. Patience, alertness, and tolerance help sales manager peacefully deal with its client and retain long-term relationship with customers. Next, psychological characteristics. Also known as mental characteristics. These concern qualities like motivation, leadership, etc. Next, character characteristics. This refers to self-discipline, positive attitude, honesty, which are essential qualities required in a salesperson. A sales manager's attitude helps us know the person better. Positive attitude results in the success of an organization. Possessing self-discipline is also necessary for the role of a salesperson. Apart from strong ethics, honesty will help them set an example for others. Next come the intellectual characteristics. Analytical abilities, receptiveness, interaction abilities, and judgmental abilities are the four main intellectual qualities. A good sales manager must be open to ideas he receives from other salespeople or sales managers. Analytical and judgmental abilities must be used to differentiate between good and bad decision for the organization, and these opinions must be communicated to the people concerned. And finally, skill characteristics. People skills, management skills, and technical skills are referred to in this criteria. Management skills include motivating, organizing, and controlling sales force. Technical skills involving knowledge related to products, training skills, and negotiation skills must be possessed by them. Managing interpersonal relationships fall under people skills. Now moving on to examples of a few companies who train their service and sales staff and empower them. One example in this case is Ritz Carlton. Each employee, irrespective of its position, is referred to as a lady and gentleman at the Ritz Carlton. They are authorized to spend up to amount of $2,000 per guest per incident. They are motivated and able to make quick decisions on their own in the moment to resolve any guest issue quickly or to make their experience beautiful and memorable. The concept is to create an overwhelming stay experience for a guest. As stated by Simon Cooper, a lot of the stuff that crosses my desk is not that they overcame a problem, but that they used their $2,000 to create an outstanding experience. Let's see how. There are stories about hiring a carpenter to build a shoe tree for a guest. In another case, a laundry manager who couldn't get a stain out of a dress after trying twice flew down from Puerto Rico to New York to return the dress personally. And when a waiter in Dubai overheard a gentleman musing with his wife, who was in a wheelchair, that it was a shame he couldn't get her down to the beach, the waiter told maintenance, and the next afternoon there was a wooden walkway down the beach to a tent that was set up for them to have dinner in. Such kind of scenarios are very, very important because here the staff is also a sales staff, considering it's the hospitality business, and the client will only come back again and again when they are impressed in the first service. Here the staff at Ritz completely displays a proper empathetic nature and skill. Moving on to the next example of how Apple trains its staffs on the lines of Ritz Carlton. The staff at Apple retail stores are all screened and trained with a great deal of scrutiny before they can make it onto the sales floor to interact with customers. When Apple first decided to open its own retail stores, they sent all their store managers to hospitality training at the Ritz. The luxury hotel service became the basis for Apple's own unique customer service model, which means offering customer service in 3 simple steps: greet each customer warmly, address them by name, and offer a fond farewell. In fact, before the launch of the first store, Steve Jobs surveyed Silicon Valley heavyweights on their best customer service experience. Almost every person he spoke to recalled a great customer experience with Ritz. Jobs took the concept of the concierge desk at the hotel and created the Apple Store's signature Genius Bar, which is a customer service bar at the back of the store. The Ritz is the gold standard of customer service, so it makes sense that Apple retail store would benchmark itself against a brand known for its legendary service. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on qualities of a sales manager. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.